Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mazda CX-5 navigation system, updated. Turn on the infotainment and confirm the GPS icon is active, then open navigation from the home screen to begin. Enter an address by touching destination or press the voice button and speak the destination clearly to start guidance. Adjust map orientation and zoom to suit your view, then save common destinations as favorites for faster access. Select destination, choose address, then type the street and city using the touchscreen keyboard. Confirm the match to begin route planning. For hands-free use, press the talk button and say the full address or place name, then accept the suggested result to start guidance. You can add stops, reorder them, and save locations to favorites so future trips are much faster and safer while driving. If you're finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and get more Mazda CX-5 guidance. Quick recommendation. I've been enjoying a book about money called The Simple Path to Wealth that made me rethink saving and planning, and it pairs well with road trip budgeting. Check the description for the link and deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Access settings to choose route preferences such as fastest or shortest, and toggle traffic updates to receive live rerouting during congestion. Change map perspective between 2D and 3D for clearer turn visuals, and enable lane guidance for complex exits and junctions. Use points of interest to locate gas stations, restaurants, parking, or EV chargers, then add a stop to your route without losing your primary navigation directions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.